Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can create Proforma Invoice on Clearbooks. To create Proforma Invoice, you need to go to Sales section and need to go to Quotes. If you don't see Quotes here, you need to go to Settings section and under Toggle Features enable Quotes option. Okay, so Sales, Quotes, and click Create Quote. Here, to change the type of a quote, select Proforma Invoice. Now we can add a new customer or select one from the drop-down list. So for example, I have Gift Limited who requested Proforma Invoice. Select the date of Proforma Invoice. Credit terms can be changed. That means that how many days I'm giving to this customer to pay once my Proforma Invoice will be converted to an invoice. And also I can add a reference number, type Proforma Invoice, and theme, that is the template of a Proforma Invoice. There's multiple colors and templates. Select one which you like more. Next section, this is main Proforma Invoice Body. So either you can select on items if you manage your stock and you have items already added on a list. So select one from this drop-down list, or just type in description. So for example, I have product 2. Select account where you want this revenue be recorded. So for example, I will select revenue. Quantity, have 25 items at rate of £10. If you are VAT registered business, select your VAT, which is applicable. VAT value will be calculated based on VAT rate. And gross will be added by net plus VAT. So my total as not VAT registered business is 250. Under summary, you can provide more details, add additional notes. Select your bank details which need to be displayed. Okay, then you can edit invoice payment text and manage attachments. When I click on preview, this is draft of Proforma Invoice. If you still want to change something, you can go back and amend details. Maybe add a new line or shipping or service. You can add it here. If you do not need second line, click on that cross. Okay, you can refresh any changes made and save as a draft. So this Proforma Invoice has been saved as a draft and we currently cannot send it out. So we need to mark this quote or Proforma Invoice as complete. Under Manage option, we have option to edit, print or download as PDF, get an online link, we can attach support documents, create an invoice, copy quote, or mark as complete. So if I click mark as complete, there is no drafts, but when I go to complete section, I can see my Proforma Invoice here, and now there is like gray or black envelope, and when I click on this envelope, I will be able to distribute in one of three ways. Either I can send via email, provide who you would like to email this one. You can send by post, or you can also hand deliver. So in my case, I will select that it's being hand delivered. Okay, and now envelope has turned blue, so it's being marked as a send. So in this episode, I showed you how you can create Proforma Invoice on Clearbooks. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my Clearbooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.